Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the simple present tense. We will discuss about the grammatical components of the simple present tense. We will discuss about the structural formulas of the simple present tense. We will discuss about the examples and the daily life uses of the simple present tense. So let's start our discussion. Okay, so what is the simple present tense? The simple present tense is a verb form that is used to describe general truths, habits, routines, and scheduled events. It is also used to express opinions, beliefs, and emotions. Okay, so what are the grammatical components of the simple present tense? Number first is the subject. I, we, you, she, he, it, they, and we can say some proper nouns. Number second is verb. The simple present tense uses the base form infinitive of the verb. For the third person singular pronouns like he, she, it, an s or es is added to the main verb, which is called third person singular form of the verb. Okay, number four is negative form. Do not or does not with the third person singular pronouns he, she, it is used before the main verb. Okay, in question form, the auxiliaries verb do or does is used before the subject. Okay, so here we have the structural formulas for the positive, negative, interrogative, and negative interrogative sentences and the simple present tense. Okay, the structural formula for positive sentence is subject plus base form of the verb plus is or es for third person singular. Okay, the structural formula for negative sentence is subject plus do not or does not plus base form of the verb. Okay, the structural formula for interrogative sentence is do or does plus subject plus base form of the verb. Okay, the structural formula for the negative question is do or does plus not plus subject plus base form of the verb. Okay, let's give examples of the positive sentences and the simple present tense. As you already know about the structural formula of the positive sentences and simple present tense, subject plus base form of the verb plus is or es for third person singular. Okay, so here we have the examples. Number first is I play tennis every day. She reads books for relaxation. They eat dinner together every evening. I eat an apple. She eats breakfast every morning. So here with the third person singular pronouns, we have ns or es added to the main verb. For example, she reads books and she eats breakfast, or we can say he eats breakfast. Okay, let's discuss about the negative sentences and the simple present tense. As you know about the structural formula of the negative sentences and the simple present tense is subject plus do not or does not plus base form of the verb. For example, I don't play tennis every Sunday. She does not read books for relaxation. They do not eat dinner together every morning. I do not eat spicy food. He does not eat meat. Okay, so these are the negative sentences and the simple present tense. Okay, let's discuss about the interrogative sentences and the simple present tense. As you know, the structural formula for the interrogative sentences is do or does plus subject plus base form of the verb. For example, do you like coffee? Does she play the piano? Do they speak Spanish? Do you eat pizza? Does she eat vegetables? So these are the examples of the interrogative sentences and the simple present tense. Okay, let's discuss about the negative interrogative or negative questions in the simple present tense. As you know, the structure formula for negative questions is do or does plus not plus subject plus base form of the verb. For example, don't you like coffee? Does not she play piano? Does not he read book for relaxation? Don't they eat pizza? So these are the examples of the negative questions or the negative interrogative sentences in the simple present tense. Okay, so what are the daily life uses of the simple present tense? The simple present tense is used for describing habits and routines. It is used for stating general truths and facts, for expressing opinions and beliefs, for narrating scheduled events, for expressing emotions or feelings, and for giving instructions or directions. Okay, describing habits and routines. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. He brushes his teeth before going to bed. They play tennis every Saturday morning. Okay, stating general truths and facts. For example, the sun rises in the east. The water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Caffeine stimulates the nervous system. Okay, expressing opinions and beliefs. For example, I believe honesty is important in relationships. She thinks chocolate is the best dessert. We consider him to be a reliable person. Okay, narrating scheduled events. For example, the concert starts at 8 p.m. tonight. The train leaves the station at 9:30 a.m. The lecture begins in 5 minutes. Okay, expressing emotions or feelings. For example, I love spending time with my family. He enjoys playing video games. They hate waking up early in the morning. Okay, giving instructions or directions. For example, mix the ingredients in a bowl. Open the package and read the instructions. Use a sharp knife to cut the vegetables. Okay, thanks for watching the video and please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you want more about tenses, we have uploaded a full crash course about English tenses on our YouTube channel.